How's it going here, and welcome back to the channel. And today we're doing an unboxing of the custom color Galaxy S22 Ultra. And normally I don't do unboxings on the channel, but I waited 6 weeks for this custom color to come, so we're gonna do a video on it. And so this is the box for the matte black version that I've been using since launch, and here is the box for the new custom colors. And so they have a single box for all three colors, the red, graphite, and sky blue. Would have been nice if they had an individual box for each custom color, just like how they have a color matched in their normal boxes here. But this is the custom color box. It's pretty much no frills, just like the other box, right? So everything's the same other than that logo. This is the unlocked model, obviously, for the US. So this is going to have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, not the Exynos. You know, it's got a 5,000 mAh battery, 6.8-inch Quad HD display with 120 Hz refresh rate, 108 megapixel camera on the rear. All the specs you probably already know. So let's just get to the custom color. And right here on the top is the phone. And let's check out what color I got. Boom. So we got the graphite color. I was going to get the sky blue, but I've got a bunch of other phones in sky blue, like the iPhone and my Xiaomi 12 Pro. And the red looked really orange to me, and I really didn't want to get that one. I'm kind of glad I did, because it seems like a lot of people who got that red or orange color are pretty disappointed in it because they thought it'd be brighter red, but it pretty much looks like the pictures. So I'm glad I didn't go with that one. Let's take this off. And so there you go. Nice matte back here. So I really like the matte finish on the glass that Samsung has gone to. Really like more phones to go with that, just like how I unboxed the Redmi Note. So the other thing here is you're going to have all these flat matte sides here, so not the shiny sides that come on all the normal models. And so we'll probably have to peel off this plastic here, but it is all matte. And then you've got a color matched S Pen as well, so let's pull that out. So it's a graphite pen to match the custom color, and so you're going to get a red or a blue custom color pen to match your custom colored S22 Ultra there. So I think this actually looks really nice. I'm really glad I went with this color. I'm really liking this in person, and it really is a nice finish, and it sets off really nicely with the black. I think black trim with the camera modules all in black, so I think this is a really good look here. And obviously with the rest of the box you're not really getting anything, so you're gonna get your ejection tool for the SIM tray, and then you're gonna get all your normal paperwork and stuff here. So nothing really exciting. You just got your USB C to C cable, no charger in the box, which I would agree with most people who are upset with that. If you're gonna get a $1,000 phone, it should come with a charging brick. You shouldn't assume everybody's got one. So there you go, quick start guide, all that stuff. So not a lot in the box, but here is that custom color here, again with your custom color matched S Pen. And so let's go ahead and put that back in here. And I've got the matte black phone here. So let's keep the box right there. And here's the matte black finish that I've been having. I like this matte black. It might be underrated and people might be thinking black is boring. It's kind of understated, but I really like this matte black finish, phantom black. I've had this in the S21 Ultra and I really like that finish. I knew it'd be the same, so I was gonna be happy with the matte black even if I didn't get the custom color in, but I'm really glad I did get that graphite. And let's go ahead and check out the custom color iPhone too. So, or not custom color, but the blue iPhone, just for kind of show anyway. So there is the iPhone 13 Pro Max in that blue, and so I already had this blue. I figured, why would I get another one? And then let's bring in the blue Xiaomi 12 Pro here. So as you can see, I got some blue phones, and so I figured, why not get a different color phone? And just for fun, let's bring in the same blue iPhone 13 Pro. So there you go, some of the more popular colors of some of the newer phones. I know green's the new thing with the iPhone. I just wanted to show the blue because I didn't want to get the sky blue, and I've already had the other blue in the Xiaomi. So there you go, just a quick unboxing of the new graphite color of the S22 Ultra. I've been using the matte black version here for a while. I'm very happy with it. Been having a really nice experience so far. So I won't get too much into the phone. I just want to show you this custom color, show you how it compares to this matte black finish on the S22 Ultra. And then I'm really happy at first impressions that I did go with this version of the custom colors in graphite with that nice metallic matte finish. I'm really happy with this so far after just unboxing it. So first impressions, really nice color. I'm really enjoying it. If any other questions or comments about the S22 Ultra, drop it in the comments below. I'll try to answer what I can. And as always, thanks for watching.